Hi guys, this is Dr. Suguna. In this video, we'll discuss sets in Python. How to create a set, how to manipulate, like how to add the elements, delete the elements and update the elements in the sets, and what are the operations we have in the set. Sets. Sets are mutable. Mutable means you can change the items or the elements in the set, and they are unordered, and it should not have duplicates. This is an important property of your set. So they are a collection of unique and unordered elements enclosed in a curly braces. So all these sets will be elements will be enclosed in a curly brace. Python sets are unique computation capabilities, and it can perform different operations like union, intersection, and the difference. Now, how to create a set? It can be created using a curly brace, or you can use a set function. So sets can contain any type of data, including numbers, strings, or any other sets also. So we can create a set using a curly brace. So you can create, this should be an open brace. My set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can also use a set function to create a set values, like set of, it could be a list, it will convert into a set function. Set function means all the elements will be enclosed in a braces. So how do you add the elements to the set? We can use add method or update method. So you can remove using remove or discard method. So let us see some examples. So we have fruits, which is given as apple, banana, and orange. I want to add kiwi to it. So I can use the method fruits.add. That's it. Okay. So then it will, if I print, it will print this values. You cannot expect the elements to be added at the end. It will add at any, because it is unordered, it will add at any, it will insert in any particular position. So you can also update by adding more than one items also. So it will add this item in random order. Okay. So if I want to add a single item, you can go for the add method. If I want to add more than one items, then you can opt for update method. That's it. Removing the elements, you can use the remove method or a discard method, or you can also use pop method. So you have fruits. Now I want to remove banana. Okay, so I am writing dot remove, and I am writing the item to be removed. And if I print the fruits, I will get this. And I can also go for fruits.discard apple. See, discard and removed are the same operation, where in the bracket you should mention which item to be removed. Okay. So now I have in the set apple and orange, and now I am discarding apple. So I will get only the orange. Okay. And you can also use the pop element to remove an element. So if you click this one, pop element, then it will remove the element is orange. See, pop doesn't have any order. It will just remove any element in the set. It's randomly done. But if you want a specific item to be removed, then you have to use this remove and the discard method. See, this pop method will be helpful if you have some 10 items or something, and you want to reduce it to 9 items irrespective of the item, then I can go for the pop method. Okay. So after removing, if I print the fruits, it will be an empty set. We'll see the set operations. This is a unique feature which is present in this set. You can combine 2 or more sets into a single set using a union operation. Intersection means it will return the element that are common to 2 or more sets, and difference means which is present in one set but not in the other. Symmetric difference means returns the element that are in either of the sets but not in both. Okay, so it may be present in set A but not in B, and it may be present in set B, not in A. So both will be considered as a symmetric difference. So union operation combines 2 or more sets into a single set. So let us see an example how to use it. Set 1 is this one, set 2 is this one. Now I want to perform a union. How do I perform? Means first write down the set 1 dot union, within bracket you give the set 2. So it will perform the union but it will write only the unique elements. So you will get the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is a normal mathematical operation which we do with the sets. So here we have another example. And you can also use, instead of this dot union, you can also use this pipe operator, which will do the same function. Okay. So you will get the same value. Intersection means it will return only the common values that is present in two or more sets. So the way you have to use is the same thing. Now intersection will have to give me the value as 3 and 4, which is both the elements are present in both the sets. So set 1 dot intersection of set 2. So you will get the output as 3 and 4. Okay. Same intersection can be performed using the operator also. That operator is AND. Okay, there we used union, this pipe operator, vertical bar, and here you can use AND, means it will perform the intersection. Okay, operator. Then difference. Difference means it is present in one set but not in the other. Okay, so that is what we mean by difference. Let us see an example. So if I use set 1 dot difference of set 2, that element must be present in set 1 but not in set 2. So element present in set 1 is 1, 2, but it is not present in set 2. So that is what it will print. So we'll have the output as 1, 2. This difference can be done using the operator also, where you have to use this minus operator. Okay, minus operator will give you the same output. Then symmetric difference means that is present in either of the sets but not in both. So that in simple, we can remove the common elements and the rest of the elements will be the output. So you can take this example. So symmetric difference is mentioned by symmetric underscore difference set 2. Now it will take, it will remove the common elements and you will be getting the remaining elements like 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. So the same symmetric difference can be done using the operator also, that is cap symbol is used for symmetric difference. So you will get the same output. And other than that, you have a subset and superset, which means that it is just checking whether a set is a subset of another set or whether a set is a superset of another set. Okay, so the method we'll be using is subset, is superset. So we'll have set 1 like this, set 2 is this. Now I can say set 2 is a subset of set 1. Set 1 is a superset of set 2. Okay, so that is what we'll be checking. So I am checking whether set 2 is subset of set 1. Okay, so this set 2 is a subset of set 1. Yes. So you will get an output as true. And next is checking set 1 is a superset of set 2. Set 1 is a superset of set 2. Yes, we'll get true. If set 3 is a subset of set 1. Set 3 is having this one. It is not the subset of set 1. So you will get as false. Okay, so this set 1 is a superset of set 3. Okay, set 1 is not the superset of set 3. Set 3 is a superset of set 1, but set 1 is not the superset of set 3. So we will get the answer as false. So these are the operations you can do. Other than that, you can make, in general, sets are mutable. You can make it as immutable set by using the frozen set function. Okay. Once you apply this frozen set function, then the values will become immutable. That means you cannot change those values. So how to make it as immutable is, you can create a set using this frozen set operation, and you can access the elements. Now if I want to add, okay, if I want to add to this set some value, then it will give me a type error. Okay, if it is a normal set, I can add the elements. Okay, but if it is if I convert into a frozen set, I cannot add the elements to the set. So these are the operations in the set. We can also perform set comprehension. It is similar to list comprehension. Only thing is you have to enclose within this brackets. Okay. So you will be using a for loop to access the values, and for each accessed value, what is the operation to be performed will be defined in the expression. So you will get the same thing, but only thing is you have to enclose in braces. That is about set comprehension. So these are some operations in your sets. So thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel to see more videos on Python. Thank you.